When Procreate Dreams was first released, I immediately thought to myself, I need to get this. So I invested $20 into the app, but after using it for a while, I realized it's not quite optimized for animation yet. It lacks several key features like the lasso tool and built-in effects, which are crucial for more complex animations. However, despite these limitations, I found it incredibly useful for editing and working with keyframes in my animations. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Procreate Dreams for animation. Before we start, hit that subscribe button for more art tutorials, tips and tricks. Now let's get started. First, open Procreate Dreams. To start a new project, tap on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. Then just press on Draw and you're good to go. For this demonstration, I created two animations in Procreate. A character animation that will serve as the background and a cube animation that will be our main focus. When exporting your animations, make sure it's a Procreate file, because that way we can import it with all its layers and details into Procreate Dreams. To import the character animation, use the multi-window feature of the iPad and drag the Files app next to Procreate Dreams. Then drag the character animation into the timeline. This will be our background layer. After that, import the cube animation on a timeline above our character animation. Now you can close the Files app and start working on the animation. Next, I adjust the timelines and frames of both animations so that they match and make sense. Now, let's animate the cube using keyframes. Start by placing a keyframe at the beginning where the cube is in its original position. Move ahead in the timeline and add another keyframe, slightly raising the cube upward. Then add another keyframe, lowering the cube slightly below its original position. Repeat this process to create a smooth up and down movement as the cube spins. enhance realism, delay the movement of the little cubes animation relative to the bigger cube animation. Move the little cube's keyframes slightly forward in the timeline so that they move after the big cube. This technique exemplifies overlapping action, one of the 12 principles of animation. By staggering movement, your animation will look more natural as different parts of objects and characters don't move at the same time. And that's it. That's how I use Procreate Dreams to animate. Even with its limitations, the app is great for keyframing and editing animations. I hope it will get better as it gets more updates in the future. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more animation tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.